Okay, so hey, what's up guys, this is me of India, so you all are watching Tech, and today in this video I'm going to talk with about iOS 14 on iPhone 6s. As if you all know, iOS 14 is officially out there, and we're gonna check it out what's gonna be on the iPhone 6s. So without further ado, let's get started. First, I want to start up with the camera. As if you all know, if you turn on your camera, this small green indicator pop-ups. It's a really good thing, but there won't be this thing. Yeah, it's gonna be available for those who uses notch iPhone, as you can say the iPhone X series, and also one more feature which you all know, that double tap will be not over here. Let me just go and unlock, and if you go into your settings and scroll down and touch, so it will directly take you to this, and there is no that what you say that haptic touchback. When you double tap on your backside, it's gonna be waking some apps, or you can say some things. It won't be available over here on iPhone 6 especially. First I want to talk a bit about this feature known as exposure notification. This has COVID-19 out there is spreading like simple context, and this gonna be for that. As you can see, it says your iPhone can tell you if you may have been exposed by a COVID-19 person. It is currently available for some of the countries, and it's gonna be available for every country really soon. And this is a really good feature to be secured by. Cool. This is one of the coolest thing. When it was on beta, everyone was excited. It was kind of laggy, but still though, we know that Apple gonna fix it afterwards. So how it gonna work? Go into any app with suppose picture in picture, and click on that icon on the left top corner. Just by doing that, it's gonna be added to your home screen. Just as that, and if you want to make it small, just double tap on it, and it's gonna be becoming smaller. If you want to make it large, double tap on it, make it larger. So it's a nice and simple way where you can actually do some other stuff while watching some stuff on the Apple TV. So it is one of the nicest thing Apple says here. Next up is widgets. When widgets were on the beta, it was one of the greatest thing. I was playing with them, and just as again I want to show you how you can add widgets. Just press on this corner where you can see this plus icon, click on it. I have some downloaded apps from the App Store. I want to add some battery over here, as you can see this batteries. Click on it, and I want to go with the simple one, and there you go. That's the widget. Simple, nicer, cleaner. Now how this thing is really good. Widgets, you can just go and press this dirty looking percentage from over here to over here. Simple, cooler. Next up is this thing. You can add some weekend pages. See, I would disable these pages, and I would enable this pages. If I don't want these pages to be appearing again and again, I can disable it just by doing that. Simple one. And now pressing the home button again, and there is not that app. Simple, nicer, and organized way. And if you want to add that page again, go again that same thing and press the, there you go. That's the third page you can see over here. Are just some of the third-party apps widgets. That's really nice, and I'm loving this widgets a lot. When it was on beta, even though I have made so many widgets pages, and they were amazingly fantastic. So that was basically iOS 14 official on iPhone 6s. I'll just take off my phone's cover. As you can see, this is iPhone 6s, and it is good, nice, smooth, easy, good looking, organized. There are too many words to explain this iOS 14 in one word. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. By the way, this is me, your friend Diaz, signing home. I will catch you in the next one. Stay safe, stay with tech.